What do you reckon? My Tradesman 4-wheel drive Canopy, the first accessory to go onto my Shark BYD. Let's have a look at this thing. So I got the one with the glass, and it's actually got a pet sliding glass here, so you can actually have pets and that in there. But look at this. I actually installed this myself. Gas struts. How cool is this thing? Let's come around over here. It just finishes off the car so nice. Look at this. It's got a brake light, reverse lights. Plenty of room. I can throw whatever I want in the back now, and I can go beyond the actual height of the tub. Come over here, have a look at this too. Another glass door on this side with the little sliding window on the side as well. Gas struts all the way around. How cool is that? And already has the actual roof rack on there. Just got to get the crossbars. But why did I get the Canopy over the roller shutter? I was going to get a roller shutter on this, but for starters, the roller shutter took 400 mil. So actually the roller shutter on these, if I got the roller shutter, would be 400 mil of space taken up just by the roller, which only leaves that space there for the tub. And then the other thing is, if I ever want to put something that's a bit taller in there, it won't be covered. So I'd have to put a tarp on there. So for that reason, I chose the Canopy. I think it was a good decision. Look at it. Have a look at this thing. I still haven't wired up. I've still got to wire up all these lights. I haven't done that part yet, but it's mostly on. There you go. Tradesman 4-wheel drive Canopy. We'll come around here, close all this. Comes with spare keys and everything. And what do you reckon? Doesn't it just finish off this beast? So there are two negative reviews that I've heard about this Canopy, and I'm willing to test those out right now. One is that this roof bar here whistles while you're driving. So at higher speeds it does whistle. And I've also heard that some people complain about a little bit of rattling from the actual Canopy itself. So I'm going to test those out now. I've got to go to Bunnings and get something, so why not test it out? Let's go. So we're driving now, and I'm trying to listen out for some noises. I can't hear a thing. To be honest, I cannot hear that whistling that some people talk about. I've gone up to 100 k's an hour and still can't hear that whistling. So that's one thing that I've got to say. The Canopy does not whistle. The other thing is that people are talking about rattling noises, and I cannot hear it. Can't hear a thing. Maybe some people haven't actually put the seal, the rubber seal on, and that's why, but we've put the actual rubber seal underneath between the tub and the Canopy. So I don't know, but yeah, so far I can't hear a thing. So far so good.
Oh, no. Yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah.
For trucks, obviously. On the lot.
He became steel resistant.